Let's explore the profound influence of mythology on art, music, and popular culture. Mythological narratives have not only captivated audiences for centuries, but have also provided a rich wellspring of inspiration for countless artists, musicians, and filmmakers across various mediums. The imagery associated with mythological figures has been a staple of visual arts, especially in Western tradition. Artists like Botticelli, Raphael, and Michelangelo created iconic pieces depicting Greek and Roman mythology, such as Botticelli's The Birth of Venus. Such artworks serve not only to represent the beauty of the subjects, but also to explore deeper themes of love, beauty, and mortality. Mythological narratives often contain rich symbolism that artists utilize to convey complex ideas and emotions. For instance, the depiction of Athena, the goddess of wisdom, frequently symbolizes intellectual pursuit and virtue, while the image of Icarus, who flew too close to the sun, warns against hubris. These symbolic associations lend depth to artworks and allow for multifaceted interpretations. Contemporary artists continue to draw inspiration from mythology. For example, artists such as Salvador Dali and Marc Chagall incorporated mythological themes into their surrealistic works, presenting timeless stories in innovative ways that resonate within the context of modern life. Mythological themes have heavily influenced classical music, particularly through opera and ballet. The story of Orpheus and Eurydice is most famously captured in Gluck's opera, and later in Berlioz's interpretation, showcasing the emotional and tragic aspects of love and loss. This myth's central theme, the power of music, underscores the transformative impact art can have on human experience. Mythology can be seen in orchestral compositions as well. Like Debussy's prelude, à l'après-midi, Danfon draws upon the myth of Pan, capturing the lush pastoral qualities associated with the god of nature. Similarly, Richard Strauss's Also Sprach Zarathustra evokes themes of Nietzsche's philosophy, entwined with mythological and cosmic ideas. The influence of mythology permeates modern music genres as well. Bands and artists, from Led Zeppelin to Hozier, frequently incorporate mythological references in their lyrics, exploring themes of love, fate, mortality, and existentialism. Such adaptations keep mythological stories alive in contemporary culture, allowing listeners to engage with these age-old themes anew. Mythological narratives have become a prominent source for screenwriters and directors. Films like Clash of the Titans, Troy, and Thor adapt ancient tales for modern audiences, reinterpreting them through contemporary lenses, while preserving their core themes. These adaptations often explore heroism, conflict, and moral dilemmas familiar to both ancient and modern audiences. Disney's Hercules, while lighthearted, introduces viewers to Greek mythology, allowing audiences, especially children, to engage with these ancient stories. Such adaptations simplify complex narratives, but retain essential themes of courage, identity, and the struggle between good and evil. Mythology also plays a role in television, as seen in series like American Gods and Gods of Egypt, which explore and expand mythological frameworks within the context of modern society. These narratives challenge viewers to consider how ancient beliefs and stories continue to influence contemporary culture. The enduring nature of mythology in art, music, and popular culture underscores the shared human experience. Myths provide a common language through which diverse cultures can engage with universal themes: love, loss, heroism, and morality. In a rapidly changing world, mythology offers a means for individuals and societies to explore identity and meaning. By revisiting these age-old stories, artists, musicians, and filmmakers prompt audiences to reflect on their values, beliefs, and place in the universe. Modern interpretations of mythological tales often serve as social commentaries, addressing contemporary issues through the lens of ancient narratives. This bridging of past and present encourages critical discourse about norms, traditions, and collective aspirations. Mythology has profoundly influenced art, music, and popular culture, serving as an inexhaustible source of inspiration for creative expression. From classical paintings that depict timeless stories to contemporary films that reinterpret and re-envision mythological narratives. These themes continue to captivate and resonate with audiences across generations. The symbolic richness of mythological tales allows artists to explore complex human emotions and experiences, while musicians reinterpret these narratives to highlight their emotional depth. As mythology continues to shape various mediums, it remains an essential part of our cultural consciousness, reflecting our shared values, aspirations, and struggles in an ever-evolving world. Thank you for your engagement with this exploration of the transformative influence of mythology on art, music, and popular culture.